Hi, my name is Desi Bartlett, and I'm really happy to share my winter fitness tips with you. I'm a pre- and postnatal yoga expert, a fitness author, and I'm also a mom, and I love to share simple hacks that you can enjoy right here at home. Let's head over to the stove. So during the winter months, I know that everyone offers us a lot of sweets, and we love that feeling of being warm and full. So what I like to do is make a sweet soup. This is butternut squash soup, and I love to add a little bit of pepper to it as well, just for a little spicy with your sweet. And it has a lot of beta carotene, so it's also good for your eyes and for your lungs. During the holiday season, we spend a lot more time at home with friends and family. So whether you're like me and you're a mom who has an 8-year-old that likes a piggyback ride around your backyard, or perhaps you're carrying some groceries, sometimes our lower back can get a little bit tight and a little bit talkative. So I'd like you to bring your hands onto your countertop in your kitchen and walk your feet back, bending one knee. Take the opposite ankle on top of the thigh and feel the stretch through your lower back. We're going to breathe deeply into this for about 30 to 60 seconds before you change sides. And this will help to release any tension through those lower back muscles. Those lower back muscles sometimes get tight, especially if we don't have proper lifting mechanics. So remember to bend those knees throughout the holiday season. During the winter months, I know that the sky can be a little bit dark and the weather can get a little bit cold. So if you need a virtual vacation, I'd like to invite you to the island of Oahu. You can find it on my YouTube channel, Desi Bartlett, and enjoy some of the aloha spirit with me.